Hey Tinkers, my name is Natalia, and as requested, today I'm gonna show you a very special kind of card, and it looks like this. There's a spiral here in the middle that is decorated with different kinds of flowers and leaves. It might be hard to see because it's kind of invisible, but I think you can see it if I do this. There are some arches popping out of the card, and this is one of the easiest cards I've ever created. It really took me about 5 to 10 minutes to create and decorate, and even if you don't celebrate Easter, you can just create another kind of card with the same kind of structure with just another kind of theme, like birthdays. So you can create any kind of theme inside the card. It's really versatile. Now I would love to know what you want me to create next, so be sure to vote here in the poll above. And if you want to see some of these kind of DIYs in the future, you need to subscribe to his channel. And remember to hit the bell button below so you don't miss out. So let's begin. Here's what you need. Do we have everything ready? Tinkerific! Let's begin! Now open up your base card and then place your ruler on one of the sides. Find out how long that side is and then divide that measurement by 2. Then take your compass and then measure it out so it fits with the halved measurement. Then take your acetate and then make a circle with your compass. You might not be able to draw on the acetate, but you will make a marking on it. Then cut it out. Then place it inside your card to see if it fits. If it doesn't, just trim it a bit. When everything fits, cut your acetate in a spiral. And it's really up to you how thick you want your spiral to be. Now if you're like me and you want to hide the ends of the spiral, sketch around your spiral on some decorative paper. And also try to sketch around the center of the spiral on the decorative paper. And cut them out. Now I would like the edges of my circles to look like grass, but you don't have to do this if you don't want to. You can just skip this part. Now we need to glue the spiral onto the card. So put some glue on the center of the spiral and then glue it down onto the card. And then press down to make it stick. Then put some glue on the outer circle and then glue it down on the opposite side of the card. But make sure to glue it down directly opposite the center of the spiral so it doesn't end up crooked when you close it. If you made these circle cover-ups, glue them down right onto the center of the spiral. And remember to press down to make it stick. Then take the larger circle and then glue it down right onto the other end of the spiral. You might need to cut into the circle so it fits right into the spiral. And again, press down to make the bigger circle stick. And now for the fun part, we need to decorate it. So take your paper punchers and then make different kinds of figures in different kinds of paper. You can even use stickers or beads to decorate the spiral. It's really up to you and the kind of theme you're going for. Then start decorating the spiral and the card and continue doing so until you're happy with the way it looks. Now as you requested, this is more Easter themed, but you can make use of other themes like birthdays. So get creative and then give it away. I hope you enjoyed watching. Leave a like if you did, and be sure to check out these DIYs here to get some more inspiration. And if you want to see the upcoming videos in this channel, you need to subscribe and be a part of a lovely Tinker family here at Natalia's Toolbox. So subscribe, and I'll see you soon with more ideas. Bye!